darn good. Let's brush it up. Whoa, look at that. We'll just brush it on. Alright, here it is, you guys. The 6-pipe anvil. Got a keeper pin. Okay, so we'll make this size, or flip it around to do a smaller size. They even have smaller sizes on this side. And like I said, a lot of requests to see how it works. So I'm going to show you how it works, alright? So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like this is actually fiberglass, but we're going to pretend like this is got a big rot out hole, and we're wanting to replace the metal. So what we'll do is we'll make the rounded edge off the anvil, and then I'll bring you over here with the camera and show you how well it lines up. Alright, first of all, this piece of metal right here is a little bit bigger than what I need. My preference, I like starting off with a little bit big, and that way you can cut it down to size after you get the shape that you need. So, we're going for that rounded edge right there. We'll put it in the anvil like this. And this pipe right here, I'm figuring it's about the same diameter as this right here. So that's what we're going to go off. I didn't measure it out, I just eyeballed it. And we'll see how lucky I get. All you do is you bend it around like so. I think that might be overkill or not enough. It's actually not enough. So we'll bend it a little more. Try that. Oh yeah, I like that. It's really close. Really close. Matter of fact, that's close enough to weld with. Weld on. If this was a rotted out piece of metal and to weld to the edge, this would be really good. I'll give it one little bit more, just so you can see on camera, when I bring the camera over here, how well that lined up with that edge. So you can see, looking down on it, sorry about the crappy camera work. Arco, you're not the only crappy camera worker. But you can see we got the shape there. Now, all we do is trim it down to the size we need, and then we can tack it on and metal finish it. So yeah, that's how the 6-pipe anvil works. Thanks for dropping in. Don't forget to hit like, make a comment, and if it blows your hair back enough, go ahead and subscribe. See you now.